In this video, I'm cleaning up my living room and my kitchen, and I do a little bit of new home decor. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and I am doing a Sunday home reset. And boy, does my place need a reset. So right now I'm just going to start with making room. So excuse me, puppy dogs. I can fold a load of towels and watch the tiny playlist while I do it. That needs to go in the kitchen. It'll go back there. Okay, this is some hubby's stuff he needs to put away.
White chocolate macadamia.
Put this stuff in a bag. What? Talking to the video. Well, I'm putting some towels and tea towels and dishcloths and face cloths in a bag to get ready to take out to our trailer, which will be coming up soon. We'll be thinking about getting all ready to go out there. So I'm just doing a few things to get us ready.
Let's go to the trailer.
That's the side of the couch that I sit on. Well, and I have a trunk there, a wicker trunk that I can put all my stuff in that I have out. I have like my pills and stuff for night and just the fingernail files and stuff like that. So now I'm just putting that all away so I can clean that little table. This little table is a plant stand, and it's just wrought iron, and then I just took this wooden round tray and it fit perfect right on top, and it makes a nice little side table for me to use. And there's my trunk, and I just put my makeup bag in there. So now you got a good view of it. Keeps all my treasures together. there's a suitcase sitting on that recliner. And the reason it's there is because I was doing laundry and I thought, well, instead of putting it away in my drawers and stuff and having to take it back out to pack it, I would just pack it right from doing the laundry. So that's why that little suitcase is sitting right there. Okay, I got myself a nice dough bowl. Got it off Kijiji. I got it off of Amazon. And I think it fits nice on this counter. It's under the TV. Give it a dust. Dust everything off. There we go. Put the dough ball right here. And I'm going to fix these flowers up, and I'm going to lay them in here, and I think that'll look pretty. So I have to cut some and wrap it, and I think that'll look nice. Let's just get the cupboard wiped down. So in my dough bowl, I ended up just cutting some of the leaves off, and I just laid the flowers this way, and I just laid the leaves this way. And so that's what my dough bowl looks like. Some of my new decor in the living room. Another piece of decor I had put in my living room was 3 wooden shelves that I also got off of Amazon. And I had my son put them up, and I did a short on them. So you might have seen this already, but it's a little different now because I bought another teacup. So now I have 5 teacups and 4 saucers, and I love my little teacups. We'll use a damp cloth this time and give it a good wipe. This is a nice little arrangement. Still like the lavender. It's good for summer and spring. And my little white vase that I thrifted. I quite like that. There. Straighten up the cushions. Okay, over here I have a big turtle and a mushroom, and they're going to go out in my fairy garden. So I'm going to take them to the kitchen. Hopefully they'll get to the fairy garden. And you'll just have to watch the video to see where I put them. Come here, guys. Okay.
kitchen, and it needs lots of cleaning. My lunch stuff is out. We've got a few days of dishes. We've got some recycling over here. And of course, some floors to do.
I would like to welcome everybody to my channel. My name is Sharon, and I love doing my videos. And it gives me great motivation. I hope it's giving somebody else some motivation as well. I'd like to welcome any new subscribers and thank my other subscribers who watch every video, and thank you, thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and say hello so I can say hello back. This is my new summer mug. Yeah, I just thought it was so cute because it looks like my puppy Rusty.
Okay, that's a job done. A job that I hate.
Well, at this time, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment if you please. And I'd like to thank everybody who's watched my video this far, and I hope you've enjoyed it. And I'll see you all in my next video, which will be Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Well, see you there, I hope.
Well, we'll let the floor dry and I'll put the dishes away.
Well, I changed a little bit up in the kitchen, not much, but I put some sunflowers all over my two-tiered tray, and I just left all the other decorations on there that I had on there, but I think the sunflowers bring the summer vibe in. And I put a cute little tea towel with coffee cups on it. And I put my cookie dish away with the tulips and brought out my little stand where I can put all kinds of little goodies. Got to get something for that. And I've got my summer mug out there with my cute little puppy dog on. So that's what I've done for the kitchen for the summer. I think it looks pretty. Bye.